My Book of Birds. Birds are everywhere. Some birds fly high, some fly low. Some birds live on ground, while some birds cannot fly at all. But did you know there are over 10,000 different species of birds in the world? Let's find out more about these amazing warm-blooded creatures. Perching birds. Perching birds are also called songbirds. This is the largest and most common bird family. Perching birds have 4 unwebbed toes, which hold a perch very tightly. They can even fall asleep without falling off the branch. Examples include sparrows, crows, magpies, robins, and nightingales. Forest birds. These birds live in forest. They seek trees for food and shelter. Forest birds make their nests on trees. Examples include toucans, parrots, woodpeckers, and hornbills. Birds of prey. Birds of prey are also called raptors. They have great eyesight and sharp talons for catching their prey. Examples include hawks, eagles, falcons, and vultures. Water birds. Water birds live near rivers, lakes, dams, and wetland. They have webbed feet. They nest on ground. Examples include flamingos, ducks, geese, and swans. Seabirds. Seabirds spend a big part of their lives at sea. They are good at swimming, flying, and also fishing. They have webbed feet and waterproof feathers. Their webbed feet help them swim at fast speeds. Examples include albatross, puffins, and pelicans. Flightless birds. Flightless birds have wings, but they cannot fly. Examples include ostriches, emus, kiwis, and penguins. Bird migration. Every year, millions of birds go on a long journey called migration. In winter, birds leave their homes and fly to warmer regions to survive. Some flightless birds also migrate by walking or running. They come back once the winter is over.